Today we are going to see how to install Terraform in Windows 11 laptop or desktop. To install Terraform, we will have to download the software from their official website. So please navigate to developer.hashicorp.com terraform/install. Here you will see the software for macOS, Windows and Linux. For our use case, we are going to use the software available for Windows, and there are two versions of it. One is 386, the other one is AMD 64. My laptop supports AMD 64, so I'm going to download the AMD 64 version of the software. The download is completed, and if you see in my download folder, I would have downloaded Terraform 64 version of the software in a zip format. We will have to extract this software. So I'm going to extract this and place it in my C drive. Files, new folder. So I've extracted the files and program files. The next step is to add the path in environment variables in your system settings. For this, you'll have to open environment variables from your My Computer. Before that, let me copy this path. And in your system variable, you will have to click on edit and create new and paste the path of your Terraform directory and click OK, save the settings. Once this process is done, we can verify the Terraform installation status using command prompt. Open command prompt and run terraform version. So if you could see, now we are able to see the version of Terraform. This means Terraform is successfully installed in our laptop or desktop.